NEET 2023 question on balancing the given redox reaction A Cr2O72 minus plus B SO32 minus aqueous plus C H plus aqueous giving 2A Cr3 plus aqueous plus B SO42 minus aqueous plus C by 2 H2O liquid. The coefficients A, B and C are found to be respectively. 4 choices are given. First, let us write the equation and balance it. Cr2O72 minus plus SO3 2 minus. We won't write the coefficients A, B, C, etc. We are omitting. Plus H plus. From this H plus we can see that this is in the acidic medium, giving Cr3 plus SO4 2 minus plus H2O. Let us take the oxidation and reduction half reactions from this. We will write Cr2O72 minus giving Cr3 plus and then SO3 2 minus giving SO4 2 minus. So Cr2O72 minus. Let us find the oxidation number of chromium. 2 chromium atoms, so 2x. Let x be the oxidation state of chromium. Plus minus 2 is the oxidation state of 1 oxygen. 7 oxygens are there, equals minus 2 is the overall charge. So 2x minus 14 equals minus 2. 2x equals minus 2 plus 14, which is equal to plus 12. That is for 2x. So x is equal to plus 12 by 2 equal to plus 6. So this is the reduction reaction because plus 6 oxidation state is getting converted to plus 3. So it is getting reduced. In SO3 2 minus, let X be the oxidation state of sulfur plus minus 2 is the oxidation state of oxygen into 3 giving minus 2. X minus 6 equals minus 2. X equals minus 2. This minus 6 will become plus 6 equal to plus 4. So here in SO3 2 minus, sulfur is having plus 4 oxidation state. In SO4 2 minus, we will see. Let X be the oxidation state of sulfur. Minus 2 is the oxidation state of oxygen. 4 oxygen atoms into 4 giving minus 2. So X minus 8 equals minus 2. X equals minus 2 and this minus 8 will become plus 8 equal to plus 6. So plus 4 is becoming plus 6. So this is the oxidation reaction, half reaction. Now let us balance this first equation, Cr2O72 minus giving Cr3 plus. Let us look at the atoms other than oxygen or hydrogen, that is chromium. There are 2 chromium atoms on the left hand side. So we will make this also 2 Cr3 plus. There are 7 oxygen atoms on the left hand side. So in order to introduce 7 oxygen atoms here, we will put 7 water molecules. Now we have added 7 oxygen atoms. But we have added 7 into 2, 14 hydrogen atoms also. So we have to add 14 H plus ions because there are no hydrogens on this side. Okay, so all the atoms are balanced. Now let us look at the charges. So 2 into plus 3, that will give us plus 6 charge on the right hand side. Here we have plus 14 H plus, plus 14 and minus 2. Plus 14 minus and minus 2 will give us plus 12 charge on the left hand side. So we have to make the charges the same. So if we add 6 more electrons on the left hand side, we will balance the charges, because here plus 12 and minus 6 from the 6 electrons, it has become plus 6. That is the same as that of the right hand side. Now let us take the next equation, SO3 2 minus giving SO4 2 minus. Sulfur atoms are balanced. Here we have 4 oxygen atoms, here only 3. So we need to add one more oxygen atom. How do we add oxygen atoms? We add one molecule of water. If we need one oxygen atom, then one molecule of water. Now we have added 2 hydrogen atoms to the left hand side. So we will add 2 H plus ions on the right hand side. Okay, atoms are balanced. What about the charges? Here we have minus 2 charge on the left hand side. What about here? Here we have minus 2 and plus 2 from the 2H plus. So here the charges are 0, but here it is minus 2. So we will add 2 electrons here. Now the charges are balanced. Minus 2 on the left hand side, and here minus 2 plus 2, 0, and minus 2 from the 2 electrons. So it is both sides minus 2. Let us make the number of electrons the same, because here we have 6 electrons, here only 2 electrons. So if we multiply this equation by 3, we will get 6 on both sides. So the first equation we will write as 6E minus plus 14H plus Cr2O72 minus giving 2Cr3 plus 7H2O. That is the first equation. Second equation, on multiplying we get 3H2O plus 3 SO3 2 minus giving 3 SO4 2 minus plus 6H plus 6 electrons. Now we can add these two equations. Let us cancel out the electrons. 6 electrons on the right hand side, 6 on the left hand side. Anything else? Okay, we have 6 H plus ions on the right hand side and 14 H plus here. So we will cut this 14 and write 14 minus 6 equal to 8 H plus ions on the left hand side. And what about water molecules? Here we have 3 H2O molecules, here 7. So 3 can go, and cut this 7 and we can write 7 minus 3 equal to 4 H2O. Now our equation is balanced. We will rewrite it as Cr2O72 minus plus 3 SO3 2 minus plus 8H plus giving 2 Cr3 plus plus 3 SO4 2 minus plus 4 H2O. Now this is the balanced equation, but it's in acidic medium. Now let us look for the coefficients. Cr2O72 minus. What about here? Here it is ACr2O72 minus in the question. So A here is 1. Here the coefficient is 1. So let us write A equals 1. Next, BSO3 2 minus. It is BSO3 2 minus. What about the coefficient of SO3 2 minus? It is 3. So B equals 3. Next one, CH plus. Here, what is the coefficient of H plus? 8. So, C equals 8. So, A equal to 1, B equal to 3 and C equal to 8. Let us look for that choice. 1, 3, 8. 1, 3, 8. So, the first option or A, option A is the correct choice. That is 1, 3, 8. If we want to check it, we can see 2A is the coefficient of Cr3 plus. Here it is 2. 1 into 2 is 2. Next is B SO4 2 minus. B is 3. Here 3 SO4 2 minus. That is also correct. Next is C by 2 H2O. C is 8. 8 by 2 is 4. So 4 H2O. So we have got this equation correct and we have got the question, answer of the question.